Hello friends, this is Rahul Chaudhary and you are watching the technical videos channel. Okay, so today I am going to make video on how to use rectangle command in Autocad 2022 in various ways. Okay, so on the line, polyline, circle and arc, on these commands I had already made a video on these commands. You can get this video link in the description and on my YouTube channel. Okay, so those who are new on this channel, kindly subscribe the channel. You can get all the technical updates and the videos regarding 2D and 3D modeling on my channel. Okay, so today I am going to move on this rectangular command. Okay, so first of all, just click on this icon rectangle. Okay, now the system has generated some notification in command prompt. Here you can see specify first corner point. Okay, or there are some operations: chamfer, elevation, fillet, thickness and width. Okay, so first of all, just take the first point, click on the dashboard. Okay, now the created rectangle is having some fillet and okay, it has been created by taking some fillet because previously I have used the fillet with rectangle. Okay, so take again this command and take the first point. Okay, now I wanted to make the rectangle as per dimensions. Okay, so here in command prompt you can see three commands are open area, dimension and rotation. So just put and click D on your keyboard and just press the enter. Okay, so this is showing asking specify length for the rectangles. Okay, so I am going to put 400 and enter. System is again asking the specify width for the rectangle. I have assigned the length and now assign the width. So I would like to put 600 mm and then enter. Okay, now here we can see the rectangle has been generated. It's showing reflection at which direction we want to draw it. If I would like to draw at this side, so go to this side and click, this rectangle will be generated. Okay, like this. Here is the zoom extent. Okay, for best fit view, and again go to this rectangular command and again the system is asking specify first corner point. Okay, actually I have created this rectangle by taking some chamfer or some fillets. Okay, so just click on the C on your keyboard and press the enter. Okay, the system is asking specify the first chamfer distance for rectangle. Actually I have already assigned 50. Okay, now I am going to assign 0. Okay, now the second chamfer distance I have assigned the 40 for the second chamfer, but I would like to put the 0 and enter. Okay, now system is asking take the first point. I have taken this first point and the next point or the other point of the rectangle. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is the magic of this rectangle command. If you directly click on the rectangle command, so system will generate initially the structure which should be look like this rectangle command, but if you if you would like to give some chamfer and elevations and some fillets, you can assign to that rectangle. Okay, now take again rectangle. Now I have removed all the chamfer, so this rectangle will create, okay, like this. I will show you. Specify the first corner point like this, and then next take anywhere on the interface like this. The second rectangle is generated, okay, and then we'll move, take again rectangle command and specify the first corner point, okay, and then you can see in the next command prompt specify other corner, but in the bracket you can see there are some area, draw the corner by area wise, dimension wise and rotation wise. So first of all, if I would like to draw by using area, so just press A on your keyboard and enter, okay. So I am going to draw a rectangle by area wise. If I put 1000 square and then press the enter, okay. Now system is asking calculate rectangle dimension based on length and width, okay. Matlab what I did previously, I have put it how many area of rectangle I want, which was 1000 square, and it should be formed within the lengthwise or widthwise, okay. So if we would like to make the draw this rectangle of 1000 square lengthwise, so just put length in the command prompt and press the enter. Then so what the system is asking, enter rectangle length, okay. So I have at which length we should want to draw that. We want that rectangle. So if I want in the 300, okay, the length of the rectangle should be 300 so put it over there and press the enter, okay. Here you can see a rectangle is created like this, okay. So length of this rectangle is 300 okay. Here I will cross check, just click on the dimension, go here, click and take the dimension and zoom here. You can see here the system has generated the rectangle of 300 of length, but the area is of 1000 square like this, okay. Now just go again to rectangle command and take the first point, and don't take directly the second point. I will show you how to draw the dimension wise. We have seen how to draw area wise, and next we will move to dimension wise. So type D on your keyboard and press the enter. Now the system is asking me specify the length for the rectangle. So I would like to draw 1000, okay, of length. Press the enter, and then the rectangle should be rectangle would having the width of about 500 enter here. Here the rectangle is generated, okay, like this. Means at which direction you want to draw it. Here only reflection is created like this. If I wanted to draw here, just click over this side and click, okay. But I don't want, I would like to be it here. Just go to this side and click the cursor. Here the system has generated this rectangle, okay. Now here other one command is there, pan command. If you click on this pan, you can move the screen like this, okay. And now next, just again go to rectangle command and just take the first point, okay. And we have seen area wise, dimension wise, and next the last is the rotation wise. The put R and just enter, okay. Now we can create the rectangle by the rotation wise, okay. Means I would like to this rectangle having the 45-degree angle, just put and enter, okay. So here you can see rectangle is creating by taking 45-degree angle from this face. You can draw from here also, and here also, okay. Now system asking me specify the other corner point, okay. and if I would like to, this should be the other point. Here you can see, just click over there. Here the rectangle is generated with the rotation. Okay, just again take the rectangle command, take the first point of the rectangle. The system is generating this rotation wise rectangle. Okay, but I don't want this. Just click R rotation and enter, then press the 0. I don't want to make this rectangle of in degree. I would like to in the 0 degree. Here you can see normal rectangle generating system for me like this. Just again go to rectangle command, take the first point of the rectangle. I have shown you how to draw a rectangle by using area, by using dimension, and by using the rotation. Just press the escape button and then again take this rectangle command. If you click on this rectangle command, so system is showing the chamfer, elevation, fillet, and thickness and width. Okay, so the best mostly use the chamfer and the fillet. I will show you how to draw the rectangle by the chamfer. So first of all, click the C with this command prompt and enter. So C for the chamfer, that's why, and specify the first chamfer distance for the rectangle. Okay, so here I will show you how the chamfer is drawn for the rectangle. Here this is the chamfer. Okay, so at which of which length and width the chamfer we can draw, I will show you how. Okay, so just press the escape. I will, and we will go from the starting. Okay, just add this screen and take this rectangle command and take the directly C. Put the C in the command prompt, because C for the chamfer. Press the enter and then specify the first chamfer distance for the rectangle. I would like to have it as a 14. Okay, and the second chamfer distance should be 50 mm. Okay, now specify the first corner of the rectangle. Here this is the first point and this is the second point. The rectangle is created with the chamfer of having the 50 by 40 mm length. Okay, so these are the various ways of the rectangle drawing, and I will show you some other shortcut. Just press escape on your command prompt and then type REC for rectangle and put the enter. Okay, directly system is creating this rectangle command, and then you don't need to go you move your cursor over here on this command and then click and then generate a rectangle command. You can't waste in this just go there and click the commands. So here are some shortcuts. You can use these shortcuts commands. Okay, so this is all about how to draw the rectangle in different ways. Hopefully you have understood the rectangular command in the deep, and by taking the different examples. If you really like, please kindly subscribe the channel. You can get all the videos of Creo and the Autocad. So thank you very much friend for watching the video.